In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Trip.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to complete the check-in process smoothly. Start by opening the Trip.com website. If you're in the Philippines, you can use the local site, but the steps are the same on most regional versions. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus appear correctly. On the top right corner of the homepage, look for the My Bookings option. It's usually near your account area and is the quickest way to manage anything you've reserved. Click My Bookings to open your booking dashboard. You'll land on a page that organizes all of your reservations. Here, you can view flights, hotels, or train tickets associated with your account. Click the specific booking you want to manage. If your account is new or you haven't made a reservation yet, this page may be empty, and that's perfectly normal. Once you do have an active reservation, it will appear here automatically. Inside your chosen booking, scroll down until you find the check-in option. This button only shows when check-in becomes available, so don't worry if you don't see it far in advance. For flights, check-in typically opens closer to departure. For some hotels and trains, you may see a pre-check-in or similar option when it's ready. If the button isn't visible yet, come back closer to your travel time. When the check-in button is available, click it and follow the on-screen steps until you're finished. Trip.com will guide you through the required details, which may include confirming traveler information, adding identification or document numbers, selecting seats where applicable, and reviewing baggage or add-ons. Make sure names and birth dates exactly match your travel documents to avoid delays. Keep your booking reference handy and have your ID or passport nearby in case the system asks for verification. As you proceed, review every page before continuing, especially if you make optional selections like seats or extra services that could affect the total price. If anything looks off, use the back option to correct it before you submit. After you complete the check-in flow, you'll receive a confirmation, often a digital boarding pass or a check-in status within the booking. Save a copy to your device or email it to yourself so you can access it offline. You can always return to My Bookings to view your details again or make additional changes if the provider allows it. That's it. Now you know how to check in on Trip.com with confidence.